Final idea of today is, and this is just a random idea, but this is going to work, whoever does it, doing a gaming memes specific YouTube channel. So right now, PewDiePie, meme review. You guys have probably watched PewDiePie, the biggest YouTuber out there. He covers memes generally speaking. But right now, there is not a meme review specifically for gaming memes and only talking about gaming culture. So if you want to go be that guy, here's yet another idea for you. Idea number 21, go be meme review for gaming specifically, and just go over gaming memes, review them with your community, laugh about them, put them in your thumbnail, and go be successful and get a ton of suggested views. Look, I know this was 21 ideas today, and you might be thinking, maybe one of these 21 ideas I shared today are not the perfect idea for you. I get it. But at the very least, your takeaway from today's podcast can be this. Whatever idea you come up with, don't come up with an idea that has a finite amount of content. Do one that has an infinite amount of content. Start with something that you could cover forever and can allow you to go from topic to topic, or content to content, or game to game, or hardware to hardware over time, so that you don't get burned out on that particular concept. You don't get burned out by doing only one type of thing. You don't get burned out by trying to squeeze blood out of a rock by doing build videos and guide videos about a game, because eventually you're gonna run out of content to make about that game that's already out. Think unlimited content potential. Those are the best channel strategies. Those are the best channel ideas. And that's why I shared them with you today. I want you guys to think about these ideas, watch this video again later, and share it with a content creator friend that you have to help inspire them to come up with a new, fresh idea for 2021, because the existing ideas that are already out there are already gobbled up. And with 40 million people that you're competing against on YouTube, that's unbelievable amounts of competition. So fresh ideas are going to be what wins in this market. Adios amigos, go create that gaming content. Just a second, gaming creators, I just wanted to let you know about our gaming creator bundle sweepstakes. This is the biggest giveaway I've ever done. It's $1,100 in gear for gaming creators, including this microphone, shock mount stand. If you like the sound you hear right now, you could sound this good in all of your live streams and videos using this Rode package that they hooked us up with. Let me just show it to you. There's a link in the description below if you want to enter this sweepstakes. It includes this audio gear you see here, plus the super high-end Rodecaster Pro mixer, plus our friends over at TubeBuddy threw in a TubeBuddy Legend license, and our friends at Restream threw in a Restream license if you want to stream to multiple platforms at the same time. This is gear and software I use to grow my channels and to help my clients, and gear that I recommend all the time. And it's freaking free to enter to win this. Link in the description below. I wish you the best of luck. I hope you get this gear, and at the very least, enter to win. At least you have a shot to pick it up at a cost of $0. Why not enter? Link below. Good luck, gaming creators.